What's going on, guys? Good morning. Welcome to another movement review. This time I wanted to go with something a little bit more outlandish, a little bit outside the box, something I usually wouldn't order, but I'm glad I did so I can give you guys a closer look at these movement Prodigies and how they feel, look, and perform. Now, the Prodigies are a bit more on the flashy side. It's not exactly my style, but if that's what you're going for, this might be right up your alley. One thing I was impressed by was the arms on the side here are nice, like gold-plated arms. Frames themselves have actually a crystal-like inlay that you might be able to see here from the inside. The lenses definitely have a different pop than I'm used to. It has like more of a golden blue kind of glow, I would say. Despite these being a little bit flashy and not exactly my style, comfortability, it rates up there with some of the most comfortable glasses I've ever worn. Next up, we have the Movement 40mm Chrono black leather. Now, one thing that really got my attention with the 40mm Chrono black leather was the band itself. The band is very comfortable. All their watches are super lightweight. So at the end of the day, I'm still sticking with my hides. I'm gonna hold on to these. Maybe in the future, I'll dig them or something like that. I think these Prodigies can be used in the right situations, but when you're rolling out of bed and heading down to the beach every morning, you're not exactly looking to catch people's eyes. Now, if you guys are interested in purchasing anything through the Movement website, you can use my code michaeljameslucas15 at the end of your checkout. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you to Movement. And thank you all, men and women of water, for your duties and service. Have a good day. Do you like my sunglasses? They're new.
Yeah.
Yeah? Good? 2 thumbs up or 1?